In this tutorial, I want to show you which AI is the best for text to speech, text to image, and image to video. And the platform that we're going to use is Novoads AI. The link is in the comment section, and you can try it for just $1. So once you arrive here, you need to create an account. And here, we are going to start with the text-to-speech model. So to do that, first, we need to click here in See More. Now we have to click here in text-to-speech. And now here, we need to write something. Perfect. I'm going to put this text that, well, is very simple. And now we have to click here in Select Voice. And here we have more than 13,000 voices. These are voices from ElevenLabs, so they have the best quality possible. So now, here in gender, let's choose a male. Now in age, young. And languages, English. And now in accent, let's put American. So now we have to search for a voice that we like.
Bro, this is the most rigged thing I've seen in my lifetime. Football.
Hello everyone, this is Aaron's Daily Dose of Internet. I'm here for your everyday needs.
Well, I like this one, so I'm going to pick this voice. And now we have to click here where it says Generate Audio. Now we have to wait like 10 seconds. And now let's listen the audio.
Hello, welcome to Novoads. You're on the best platform for creating content with AI.
Perfect. Now, if you want to download this audio, just click here. And then as you can see here, I have the audio. So now let's create an image. To do that, we have to click here. Now we have to go to settings. And personally, I prefer GPT Image 2 more than Nano Banana Pro. So let's click in GPT Image 2. Here, I'm going to use the high quality, and in the number of images, I'm going to use only one. Now, I'm going to create an image like this one. So the prompt that I'm going to use is the following. That is going to be in the comment section. And now we have to click here. Now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect. Here we have the image, and as you can see, the quality is really good. If we zoom in, you can see that it has really good details. So now let's use this image to create a video. So I'm going to download this image. Now we have to go to the video section. Now we have to go to settings, and here in model, I'm going to use Clink 3.0. Now in duration, I'm going to use 8 seconds because the text that I created for this video is really short. So I'm going to paste the prompt so you can see it. Is this the text that the girl is going to say? So now we have to click here and upload the image. Now we have to click here and finally in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video. So now let's see it.
Did you know you can create animated videos with AI in minutes? I'll show you exactly how. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot, the video. The movements were really clean and the quality of the video was really good. So now you know the best model to create a speech from a text, the best model to create an image from a text, and the best model to create videos from an image. Actually, another good model that I like it a lot as well is Seedance 2.0. Clink and Seedance, in my personal opinion, are very similar, so you can try both. And I want to remind you that you can try Novoads AI for just $1. This is literally less than a coffee, so I recommend you to try it, and then if you don't like the platform, you just can cancel the plan when you want. So well, after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, and see you in the next video.